This project was an entire home spruce up. We were working with a wonderful couple in Studio City who have an absolutely stunning space, and they just needed a couple tweaks and fixes to make their space work a little bit harder for them. We did their kitchen and their pantry. We used a ton of acrylic bins, and we reused some pop-top containers that they already had on hand, as well as added in some turntables for ease. We also spent a long day working in the master closet to make sure that everything was file folded. We did some decluttering, but my favorite piece of their project was they were trying to figure out a way to keep all of the alcohol that they had amassed during COVID in a contained way in their home, but it was too much to keep in one closet of their house. So they had wine in one closet, liquor in another closet, the actual liquor that they tend to drink on a day-to-day basis in their butler's pantry, and it was hard for them to know what they had. So we repurposed a closet that was used for cleaning products and luggage, and we converted it into a wine closet. We built it out with a beautiful shelving system, which their handyman was able to whip up in one day, and had a little safety bracket in case there was earthquakes, and it really made use of an otherwise unutilized portion of their home.